Now we're going to be talking about the group by function, okay? Uh, First of all, let's do equal sign group by. Sees drags, then, the first, the first component of the syntax is the row fields, okay, which is, in this case, we're going to be calling our data set, okay? The name of our table is six drags. Then we're going to group by, let's say, location seizure. Okay. Okay, let's do something else. Okay, not location seizure, but the let's say local environment agency. Okay, close brackets. Then the values is going to be seizure, seizure quantity. Okay, the quantitative a column, and then the function that we're going to apply is going to be a sum. And do we field headers, no field headers, uh, no grand total. Okay, okay, let's do grand total one, grand total, comma, so order minus two, which would be the second column, and then filter. Or okay, and let's close the parentheses. Okay, there we go. Control Shift arrow down, Control 1. Okay, and this is the number of kilos of the drugs that was seized. Okay, let me do a data validation in here. Click on data validation. We're going to insert a list. Click on this drop down list. Let's go to the data set. I'm sorry, to this sector unique, and then what we're gonna do is here, let's insert the hash symbol because this is the trick. So the array can work, as you notice, the array can work by inserting the hash symbol. Okay, and then we're gonna apply here a filter. Okay, let's hit F2 for editing the function. Click type one comma, and then the filter array is going to be sys drags. Let's call our table, and then location of the scissor. Okay, let's close the bracket, equal sign, and we're going to reference the cell with enter. Okay, and now we're going to be able to filter the data that we have in here. Okay, there we go. Okay, as we notice, everything is sorted. Okay, from in a descendant order. Okay, click on Loreto, and there we go.